Okay, so I decided to take my drone out and fly along the little aqueduct and see, maybe take it as a low-flying drone and go along the river here until I got to the bridge. So as I was going along, I happened to notice little black things kind of flying across or going across the screen, but I really wasn't sure because it was just like little streaks of black. Occasionally you can see it, but not too frequently. But I kept on going. I wanted to get closer to the bridge, and then I was going to come back and end my video here. You can see the river. This is actually between Crown Valley and the Colinas Bridge. So I get to this point and I decide, well, I'll just go ahead and kind of bring it back. And so I brought it back, and then I started to hover near the parking lot. And you'll see here what happens.
Ela é gostosa, essa pode pé.